We are here at the AC and Residence Inn by Marriott, here in downtown Dallas. Check out what we have here. No, I think that was 20. I'm at 21. There we go. Car. These are Schindler port with the 5500 system.
I'll be waiting down here.
Okay. These were definitely totally replaced.
Floor 20. Floor 21.
Oh, there we go. I thought I got stuck in here for a sec. Real this weird.
This group serves floor 1 through 20. Please press again when you hear your destination. Car B to left.
Oh. Look at that. Go down to floor 1. Let's get cabs here. There's actually pretty nice elevators.
Floor 1. Car
Got it okay?
Yep, thank you.
Alright, you bet.
This group serves floor 2 through 21. Please press again when you hear your destination. 21.
Yes, sir.
I got it. Car A. That's how the thing works. Here it is. Here we are, on the floor 21. Here we go. Cool.
Floor 21.
No problem.
Car B.
How about car B? I'm sending you down to 1.
Car A.
Car A, oh boy. Finally got a car.
This group serves floor 1 through 20. Please press again when you hear your destination. Car A, 2 left.
We're gonna be waiting for a while. These are Schindler with 55, which is kind of, a combination. But I do like this elevator system. And I don't think these are mild actually. Here it is. Single floor, there we go. Going down to floor 1.
Floor 1.
I appreciate it.
There goes that car. This one, unfortunately, doesn't run anymore. But it's definitely interesting. Oh, this is the service car. Buttons on the side. Weird. So this must be like the service car or something.
Elevator is going up.
Yeah, this is like the service car. Look at this. Yeah, this like. See, this is like the service car. But it's definitely interesting. They have fornicated inside. But yeah, let's see if we can get car C here.
Car A.
Nope. Somewhere in the video here. So anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.